गोयच्या जन्मोत्सवाक 50 वर्सां जाता. त्या निमतान गोवा फॉर गिव्हिंग अँड फ्युचर ऑफ गोवाचेर परिशद दवरल्या. 16 जानेराक शेनवारा दोनापावला इंटरनॅशनल सेंटर ऑफ गोवात परिशद जातली. फुडल्या पिळगे खातीर गोंय कशें वाटावन दवरप असल्या विशयाचेर परिशदेंत चर्चा जातली. त्या शिवाय बायलांची शक्त होय विशय चर्चेक येतलो.
We suddenly stumbled upon the fact that the golden year of the opinion poll commences on 16th of Jan this year. So we thought it was a great opportunity to bring issues to the fore, issues that are bedeviling Goa, you can say. And we came up with the idea that let us have a sort of a seminar under the concept of future of Goa. As a conference, we have got 10 beautiful topics, starting with Susegado. The second one is migration and the Portuguese passport. The third is environment, which is also very critical. We have another very interesting topic known as the Bismarck effect. Then we have another interesting program known as girls, family and societal pressures. The next topic would be appropriate and sustainable development for Goa. That's totally economics.
हळदी कुकुमाचो सीझन सुरू. तिळगुळ खा, गोड गोड बोला. आज मकर संक्रांत. लग्न जाल्ल्या नव्या जोडप्यांनी पूजा करून भटाक सुगड दिवपाची संक्रांतीक प्रथा. मकर संक्रांतीन घराघरांनी सवायशण बायलांचे हळद कुकुमय सुरू जातात. म्हयनोभर बायलांची एकामेकागेर वायणां घेवन यो वच चलता. पळयात गोंयकार सवायशिणींची मकर संक्रांत. इतल्यान हे खबराचित्र हांगा सोंपता. पळयत रावात प्रुडंट. नमस्कार.